Hi, my name is K.USHA GOWRI from Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. So I have completed my B.TECH Civil Department in Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies. So after that, I have joined in this institution, Qspiders. So I have taken testing course that consists of manual testing, API testing, Selenium, SQL, Java. So those are done by Nandini ma'am, Nandini ma'am, Hemant sir, Pavan sir. So because of my department, I don't get that much opportunities. So Akil and Nandini ma'am helped me a lot, and institution helps me a lot to improve my communication skills by conducting mock tests or presentations. So those mock tests are so much helpful to crack interviews in any company.